2018 Mustang GT 5.0 Performance Pack 1 did not come with the active exhaust, but there's a way of doing it. So normally you'd have off the wire harness here, the back of the trunk. Wire harness goes here, it goes down, and you will have the plug that plugs in underneath here next to the evap. My 2018 does not have it. So what I'm doing is I created my own wire harness. I'm using the garment that goes off the passenger side. There's a normal garment, it's the other one. This is my wire harness here. It's coming down across here. I have it coming, running it underneath there. Along the side, all back in here. There's the wire harness. Continuing here. This is my wire harness here. Let's continue. This is from the back. These wires, 4 wires, are gonna go to PCM module here. The other one, which is I'm running, these are just my color wires. I'm running the red one to the passenger side. That is going to be here. It's going to plug into this one. There's one there. Once that one's plugged in there, that one there. The wires are running down. Once I run those wires down, this is the actual harness. Module number 1, actuator number 1, actuator number 2 for the passenger side, actuator, driver side, actuator. The wires are coming down here. Here are my wires that I'm running from the wire harness, and I'm going to tap them into here. Once I connect these wires, actuators will work.